What is going on, you guys? This is Wubzilla here, and right from the start, y'all could probably hear that I'm recording with a new microphone. I actually just got a new Blue Yeti, so I hope I sound a lot better because, you know what, let's face it, I didn't sound too good in the other videos. So I'm going to be playing a little bit of Slender, and I hope you guys enjoy, and just stay tuned for upcoming videos. Alright guys, I'm going to get this started up real quick. Collect all 8 pages. Alright, I think we know the deal now. Actually, let's go this way. I don't know why this game is scary at times, but it's just like, fuck, like Slender. He's just a little bitch, I don't know. But at the end of the day, I'm the one screaming, so I guess I am. Alright, so the last series, this is where I died at. I guess this is where I got my last page at. Okay, I forgot what it says. Help me. Nah, bruh, I'm good. I gotta help myself before I help you. You see that little fail? I right click besides left click. Oh shit. Here comes the big ass footsteps again. Oh shit. Where the fuck are you, Slender? Now, if there's any games that y'all want me to do commentaries on, I will do that. You just gotta comment it in the description. Sorry, I'm just thinking about the game. That's why I'm just learning my words right now. Oh, shit. Into the woods. Maybe gonna go find a bitch nigga named Slender. Or maybe he'll find us first. Is he? I really just want him to pop out soon, because it kills me knowing that he's near, and I don't know when he's gonna fucking pop out. I would love for the game to just be messed up and he never pops out, and I just get all 8 pages without seeing him once. Oh shit! Fuck. Oh my gosh, and my guy is having another damn asthma attack. Holy shit. Some rocks. There's a page. Just go grab this shit first. Okay. Oh. Getting a phone call, but I can't answer that right now. Dad, I'll call you later. I don't feel too good about this at all right now. Oh shit. Get the fuck away from me, you whore. I could've sworn I just saw his little head, but this shit just makes you hallucinate or something. Up into the hills. I wanna be the very best and kick Slender's ass. To catch all the little kids and train them as his own. He wants to travel across the world, eating kids' faces. Okay. If y'all don't know a little bit about Slender, that's what he supposedly does. He gets you, oh shit, just like he's about to get me, and he eats little kids' faces. Little kids are his targets. So. Oh my gosh, get away from me! Oh shit! Oh my gosh. Oh, what? No way, did I just make it away from that? Where the hell is he? Oh my gosh. Oh, you fucker. Alright, I can't take this anymore. Okay. No, man. 2 out of 8. Are you kidding me?